Straits State Park, located in St Ignace, Michigan, was a stopover for us, but we were pleasantly surprised at how nice this park actually is. And there's also quite a few things to do in St. Ignace, some great dining to be had for sure. We hiked a couple beautiful trails inside this state park, and there are some fabulous overlooks that you kind of stand on a platform in the woods and overlook Lake Huron and the Mackinac Bridge. As you pull in, as always, the first stop is the park office. And from there, we just will continue right on around. This campground basically has two camping sections. The larger one is right down on Lake Huron, down a long hill. The second one is up high by the entrance office, and it's also room for quite a few campers, and they have room for big rigs as well. As we rode down this hill, we saw the campground road split. So the bottom camping section's kind of divided into two separate camping areas side by side. But if you continue straight down from that road, that little path, you come to the shores of Lake Huron and the Straits of Mackinac. And yes, indeed, that is the Mackinac Bridge hanging in the background there. It's a beautiful, beautiful spot to stop and take a look at things. And I just happened to notice this sign on my way back out. The white cedar is the prevalent tree down by the water in this park. Interestingly, the sign tells you that they grow very slowly. I noticed, and you can see in the video, that the majority of big rigs stay in the upper portion of the two campgrounds. The lower portion is certainly more scenic with Lake Huron on the edge and some waterfront campsites, but you don't see as many big rigs down here, and the roads are pretty narrow. So it's not that you couldn't do it, but it would be a little bit more of a challenge. I would note that there are sanitation stations or dump stations in both the upper campground and the lower campground. So plenty of facilities when Sunday morning or Monday morning comes and everybody's trying to leave. In the upper campground, we will see a sanitation station, as mentioned, one in each campground. And then you'll see bigger rigs. The bathhouse up here seemed like it was brand new. It was spotless and very clean. Easy in and out, pull through sites for the most part. This is just a great state park. From our drone view, you can see the bigger rigs up here in the upper campground. The green roofed building was the bathhouse. And you can see pretty much the Mackinac Bridge if you get in the right spot. Trees basically block the view from the ground. But it's such a nice campground, such a nice location. We'll take a look with the drone just to show you what's there, and then we'll talk about maybe some restaurants down in St. Ignace itself. Ignace is definitely a tourist town, and there's many restaurants or restaurant bars to choose from. In this case, we went to the Macinac Grill, and the food was phenomenal. I really enjoyed a surf and turf, sirloin, and shrimp. After eating our amazing meal, we took some time to walk around the city of St. Ignace. There is a beautiful waterfront park and boardwalk directly behind the Mackinac Grill. So we certainly enjoyed looking at the marina, the ferry landing, and some of the history of St. Ignace. If you found this video enjoyable or helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel.